Welcome to my class on index numbers. My dear student, there are three types of index numbers. They are price index numbers, quantity index numbers, and value index numbers. There are two methods of classification of index numbers, like unweighted index numbers and weighted index numbers. Unweighted index numbers are also known as simple index numbers, and next one is like weighted. The difference between unweighted and weight is, in unweighted index numbers they will give only the price, but here in case of weighted index numbers they will give price and quantity. Okay, in unweighted index numbers there are two important methods, like simple aggregate method and simple average of price relatives method. Here the formulas are also being given here. P01 is equal sigma P1 by sigma P0 into 100. So P1 is equal, the total of sigma P1 is equal the total of the prices in current year. Sigma P0 is equal the total of the prices in the base year. When 2 years are given, the least year is known as base year, and then next year will be known as current year. And in case of simple average of price relative method, the formula will be P01 is equal to sigma P1 by P0 into 100 by N. N is equal to number of items. See, my dear students, in weighted average method, there are some important methods which you need to learn. The important methods are like last payer method, Pasch's method, Fischer's method, Derbyshire-Bowley and Marshall-Edgeworth, Kelly and Walsh's method. However, my dear students, Fischer index number is known as ideal index numbers. Why? Because based on this, we can develop so many equations. Here, the formula for Fischer ideal index number is like P01 is equal to under root sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. P1 is equal to price of current year, P0 is equal to price of base year, Q1 is equal to quantity of current year, Q0 is equal to quantity of base year. Okay, ma. See, here I am also giving the list of formulas. For last pair index, the formula is given. For Pasch's index number, the formula is given. Marshall-Edgeworth, Derbyshire-Bowley and Kelly. Learning of Fischer ideal index number is very important, and it's also easy. And one thing I want to say, my dear students, in exam you have to see the question thoroughly, whether they have given price index or quantity index likewise. When quantity index is given, in the place of P, Q will come. 1 and 0 will remain the same. Okay, let us see one example problem which you can understand. It's a very important problem, my dear students. So here they have given the question, find out Fischer ideal index number from the following. Only Fischer ideal index number. Commodity is given A, B, C, D, and 1990 price and quantity is also given. 1991 price and quantity is also given. Use the pause button to copy the question. It's a very important question. Repeatedly I am saying. Here you will find the price and quantity. So by seeing the formula of Fischer, we have to write whatever the columns which are required. My dear students, P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, okay, P0 Q1. These are the columns which are required. So simple multiplication I am doing here. P1 Q0, P1 into Q0, that's it. P1, what is the value? 5. Q0, 10. Likewise, I am making multiplication, then making total of that. Okay. Then, my dear students, after that, let us substitute in the formula. Let us substitute in the formula so that you will be getting the answer of Fischer ideal index number. Okay, ma. And one more example I want to give you here. Sometimes what they will do is, they will give price and value, means total value they are giving, they are not giving quantity. When quantity is not given, repeatedly I am saying, my dear students, quantity Q1 is equal total value by price, total value by price. Antegani మీరు చూడకుండా, if you are going to do with whatever value by taking as Q1 and Q0, it's wrong actually. You need to find out quantities. Repeatedly I am saying, my dear students, see the question thoroughly. What they have given, you should know what they have given. So my dear students, write down the formulas, write down the question, try to do this. And in index numbers, my dear students, the important topics are like other than this, these are the topics which are important: simple aggregate method, simple average of price relatives method, last pair and Pache's index and Fischer added index number, Marshall and Edgeworth, Darvish-Bowley, time reversal and factor reversal test, cost of living index numbers. In my next class, you will be finding out the problems like time reversal test and factor reversal test and cost of living index numbers. My dear students, I am also giving the formulas of quantity index numbers. When it is given as quantity index number, just what you have to do is, just in the place of P, you have to write Q. 1 and 0 will remain the same. Do practice these questions. This is very easy to understand. Last pair method, Pache's method are part of Fischer added index number only. The first part of Fischer index number is known as last pair method. The next part is known as Pache's index number. Wish you all the best. Prepare well for the exams. Soon you will get some questions on time reversal and factor reversal test and cost of living index. Make use of the video. If you like, share the video to all your friends.